Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to create a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So the end of the result we can create the YouTube banner, that means YouTube thumbnail, custom thumbnail for your videos like this. So first goes to new, then I have set a preset. YouTube custom thumbnail should have the width 1280 pixels and 720 pixel height. Then the resolution should be 72, and it would be better if you are setting 72 pixel per inch. Then I am going to choose the background as transparent, or maybe you can choose the white background. Then click OK. Okay, then I am going to select the rectangle toolbar. Then I am going to click the gradient. I'm going to select okay. Now I am going to edit YouTube. Going to change the color as white. Then I am going to place the YouTube icon. Here place option is there. Already I have downloaded the YouTube icon. You may find this icon in Google. Make sure it should not have any copyright issue. I'm going to minimize the icon as per the size required. Then select OK. Now we have the header section. Now I am going to give a border, that means the stroke for this YouTube. Select the layer, then apply. Go to blending options, then click the stroke, then select the color as red. Yes, then click OK. So the stroke is applied now. It looks better. Then we need to add the title called monetization disabled. Select that, content, select the text icon here and paste your content. Change the color as blue. Yes, it looks better. Okay, could give a margin. Yes, That's it. Suppose if you want to insert some other image for this, for the later topic, this is related to monetization, so I am going to insert one money back. Already I have downloaded in Google, so I am going to just place the icon here. Yeah, then select OK, then go to file and save as whatever you want. It maybe JPG or PNG format. Select the JPG format and give it to save. Then select the quality. It's a default is 8. It's okay for better quality. Then select OK. The JPG formatted saved file will be stored in your selected browsing directory. That's all, friends. Please subscribe my channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching. Meanwhile, I would like to show how to update the existing custom thumbnail in YouTube. Here my channel already I have updated. I'm going to change, then select my updated one, then go to uploading. It's uploading now and my custom thumbnail has been changed. I'm going to click save changes. It will reflect within hour or within days. That's it, my friends. Thank you. Thanks for your time.